Hey, what's going on, guys? Drones and Dogs here, and I'm out here again with the Hubsan Air Pro, otherwise known as the Hubsan X4 h501a with the h501a long-range transmitter from Hubsan. This guy came bundled on Amazon for about $170, so came in at just under $200. I already did the previous maiden flight. I already did the circle me and the follow me and stuff. Today, we're gonna pretty much test out how it does in wind. It's about 15. It's gusting between 15 to 20 mile per hour winds out here today, guys. So it's pretty windy out here today. I wanted to try that, test it in the wind, and then if I have enough battery, I'm gonna try to test out the waypoint features. So without too much talking, man, I'm gonna go ahead and take this guy off and test the stability real quick in this wind, see how it's doing in this wind. So we do an automatic takeoff. Automatic takeoff. Okay. And right now I'm just gonna let it hover for a minute and see how it does because it's real windy. Always see how your bird hovers before you take it off. Give it a little minute to gather them satellites and good stuff like that. Let me go ahead and start the recording. So we are recording right now. As you can see, it is moving a little bit around, but that's because the wind, So the wind, look at that. You see how it moved a little bit because of the wind? Look at that. I'm not touching the sticks at all. That's all it doing, it fluctuating on its own. It's windy out here, guys. Look at that. I mean, like I said, it is 15 to 20 mile per hour wind. So this will be a good wind. Mile per hour wind. So this will be a good wind test. You always want to know how your GPS bird is going to do with the wind. Look at that. It is windy, guys. It is windy, so I am in an open area to practice this. Let's go ahead and take this guy out a little bit. See how it does. Handling really nice. Bring her in front of me. See you guys. All right, now let's go ahead and see how it does. Push it on out there. And recording. Take it on up. Meters out right now. So let's hold it right now. Look at the cam, see how she's holding up right now. She's rocking a little bit because it is windy. So let's see, 106 meters out. Still holding. Look at that. I can notice it rocking a lot. Go ahead and take it up a little bit more. Take it up a little higher. Still got good FPV signal. 180 meters out, 14 meters in altitude. So, the little yaw control right there. So right here, from right here, man, with this wind, let's see if we can do the return to home. So, the little yaw control right there. So right here, from right here, man, with this wind, let's see if we can do the return to home. See how it does with this wind. Like I said, about 15, 20 mile per hour winds out here, guys. It's pretty gusty. And I'll see it coming home on my screen. So, and then once it comes home and land, we're gonna go ahead and test out this waypoint feature real quick. See if we can do a waypoint. She's coming back. All now, what y'all kind of like stuttered a little bit, but it's coming. It's fighting that wind, guys. You see that? Look how it's fighting that wind. But it's coming. It's coming. Still got 44% battery. Oh. Go ahead and stop the recording real quick. Look at that. Look at that. Pretty nice, man. Pretty nice. Okay, motor stopped off. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this features mode. We'll do waypoint mode. Please adjust map size to draw waypoints. And you can see it's there on the map. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there on the map. Okay. And I'm gonna go to the draw waypoints. Click 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm gonna hit done. Oop, nope. I don't want to take that back. How do I go back? Delete one. Yeah, delete. Okay, let's try that again. I'm sorry. There are too many. Let's see. Go to draw. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4. Why does it do that? No. Delete waypoints. I'm sorry, guys. Let's try this one more time. I keep hitting the wrong button. So go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, altitude is set. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. It keeps doing this. I don't know if it keep hitting the wrong button. Okay, let's do it again. Waypoint mode. Please adjust the size to draw waypoints. I never did this before, so bear with me. Okay. Draw. Let's go 1, 2, 3. Submit. Send successfully. Done. And it says please take off first. Okay. So let's go ahead and try this, guys. Take off. Let's see if it does this waypoint mode. Okay. Automatic takeoff on its own. All on its own. Let's see what the transmitter says. Okay. Submit. The aircraft is about to enter waypoint mode. It's better for you to keep it. Okay. Now it's all on its own, guys. Entering the waypoint mode. As you can see, it's going up. And it's going to go to that first waypoint, which is pretty cool. Look at that, guys. You can see it on the camera. That's pretty nice. And it has a little screen that shows me where it's going. Now it's going to that second waypoint. Pretty nice. Pretty nice, guys. It's doing that all on its own. Hitting the waypoints. Look at that. Now it's going to go to waypoint 3. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Waypoint mode exited. Now let's go ahead and do the automatic return to home. So as you can see, the waypoint mode actually works, guys. Actually works. Took me a minute to get it, but it actually works. Waypoint mode. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. So man, if you guys like this video, you got any questions, if I can help you out with anything, I will try about this bird. But as you can see, man, everything works on this guy, man. I think it's worth your money for $170 for a GPS bird that does waypoints, follow me with a good range, and fly in this high wind like I just did today. I think it's worth it. So, Hubsan X4 h501a, get you one, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Drone and Dogs.